I have always loved food and had a big appetite. In my 20s, I once compared against food challengers on a Japanese TV show. For years, I thought staying slim meant eating less. But learning how to build balanced meals completely changed the way I eat. If you enjoy calm Japanese meal video like this, a like or hype would really encourage me. After seeing my kids off to school, I started making my breakfast. Breakfast is usually warm, simple, and balanced. I try to build meals that feel satisfying, not restrictive. Miso soup is one of the meals that helps me feel full without overeating. I used to think carbs were the problem, but balanced meals actually help me snack less. Starting the day with fermented fruits makes me feel more balanced and energized. Today's breakfast is barley rice, maitake miso soup, salmon, eggs, natto, and a simple wakame salad. Japanese breakfasts are very simple, but they keep me full for hours. After breakfast, I spend some time doing housework. And desk work with a cup of coffee. For lunch, I usually make something quick, warm, and comforting. While waiting for the broth to heat up, I make a simple parachute salad. I added tuna for extra protein and satisfaction. Then I added chicken to the broth. And cook the soba noodle. I like using 100% buckwheat soba because it feels more nourishing and keeps me full longer. Soba is one of my favorite quick Japanese meals because it feels light but still satisfying. Even the water used to boil soba contains nutrients from the buckwheat. Today's lunch is a chicken soba, pear-shooto salad, and some pickles. Itadakimasu. Japanese lunches like this feel light and comforting, but still keep me satisfied for the rest of the afternoon. In the afternoon, I take a little break and make my favorite soy milk matcha latte. I've never really liked very sweet drinks, so I usually don't add any sweetener. A soy matcha latte is a perfect drink while doing counseling session with my clients.
そうなんですよ。はい、お食事も見せていただいたんですが、バッチリバッチリですね。
Before picking up my kids, I start making dinner and prepare some barley rice and tonjiru. Tonjiru is one of my favorite nourishing Japanese soups because it includes meat, vegetables, konjac, and fermented foods all in one bowl. First, I boil the konjac. Then I saute the burdock root. Cook the pork. Layer the vegetables. And gently steam everything with sake and mirin. The vegetables release so much flavor and moisture on their own. I added a little water and dissolved the miso into the soup. Dinner is almost ready. After picking up my kids, we take the bus home together. I enjoy preparing dinner while chatting with my children about their day. I also make a few simple side dishes like cold tofu and grilled eggplant. Simple side dishes like these are really helpful on busy evenings. Today's dinner is Tonjiru, barley rice, cold tofu, grilled eggplant, and pear shooter salad.
いただきます。すごいじゃん。
お世話になった時お豆腐が
Simple dinners like this make me feel relaxed and comforted at the end of the day.
パジャマどうですか
Meals like this help me feel balanced, satisfied, and energized without feeling restricted. I think one of the best things about the Japanese diet is that it focuses on simple and nourishing meals you can continue for a long time. Thank you for spending the day with me. If you enjoy calm Japanese meal video like this, a like or hype would really encourage me. Good night.